there, my name is Cherry, and I'd like to welcome you to this part of the internet, aka DIY Business Corner. I want to tell you a few things about who I am, what DIY Business Corner is going to be, who it serves, what we stand for, and what you can expect from us. So I am Cherry, like I just said. I am 28. I live in Florida. I am happily married to my partner in crime, or partner in business, I should say, Roy. And we live in Florida, sunny old Florida, where we both are entrepreneurs. Now, I started DIY BC, which is what I'm going to call it, because I realized I was an accidental entrepreneur and didn't know it, and I want to help others realize their entrepreneurial potential. So I started as a classical singer, which is pretty much self-promotion and marketing all day, every day. And that turned into a business of image consulting and personal styling, helping my friends dress well for auditions. That was a full-fledged business, still is. And creating that business from the ground up with no time and no money, I then realized that I had something else on my hand, which was a resource for other entrepreneurs how to get their business off the ground from idea to profitable business. And so I best serve those who are just starting out or those who have no idea where to start, where to do or grow their business. And so if you're just starting out and you have limited resources and even more limited understanding of what to do with your business, I'm your girl. Now, limited resources doesn't just mean money. A lot of entrepreneurs are working full-time jobs and they have full-time families that they got to raise and take care of and nurture. So that doesn't leave a lot of time. That's where we step in with our core values, one of which is efficiency. When you efficiently run your life and business, it gives you more peace of mind. And so with us, DIY BC, we are here to offer and stand for efficiency so that you're not working on your business and just being busy, but you're working in your business and actually being profitable. The other core value that we have is perseverance. Perseverance in spite of the hardships that come with being an entrepreneur and starting your own business. It's not easy. It's not for the faint of heart. And oftentimes you have those days where it's just overwhelming. But we go with the overflow mindset. What's in the cup is for you. What's overflowing from the cup is for everyone else. And so maintaining you to persevere through those hard times and knowing that even though I only have 20% of what I had yesterday, it's still 100% of what I can do now, and I'm going to always persevere. Okay? The third thing is service. We are here to serve. And serve in a way that I think sometimes is missing, in a personable way that allows you to know that what you're asking is directly answered. And when we are servicing you and your business, you know that we're taking a hands-on approach. It's not some cookie cutter thing. I'm all about specifics. I'm a planner. I'm an organizer. I'm a to-do list girl. So that is what I'm going into any and everything that I answer with some actionable steps, very specific steps that help you go from, oh, it's just an idea to, oh, I'm marketing this, I'm putting this out there. It is smooth sailing, well, as smooth a sailing as entrepreneurship can be. Okay? And the fourth and last thing is accessibility. This came from watching Undercover Boss, guys. Undercover Boss, and realizing that a lot of the big wigs up at the top of the company had no idea what was going on at the lower levels of the company. We don't want that to happen, which is why it's me, my husband, and a virtual assistant. Our team is small, but we are mighty. Okay? And so we want to be accessible to you by keeping it small and having our information right there for you to contact us. That means right now, I don't want a website right now. I want you to contact me on social media or contact me through email so that I can best serve you. And I'm actually going to go through the process of creating our website to show you how to create yours in about a week. Yeah, you can do it from the ground up by yourself in a week. You just need a plan. there it is, all out there. I wanted to put it out there so that you guys know who I am, what this lovely face is, and so you will know what to expect from us. Tips, tutorials. I'm going to go through a lot of free and paid tools and give you snapshots and walkthroughs of these services and how you can use it to build your business for low to no cost. Now, you don't need to do free and low cost forever. If you want to scale and grow your business, you're going to have to invest. But I'm here for you. You're just starting out and you want to know which way to go and what to do. I'm here to serve you in that capacity. We're going to have tips, tutorials, small business hacks, and motivation so that you don't get deterred from making your dream into a reality, okay? I'm Sherry signing off, and hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to sharing all that I know with you. The process along the way will be a learning experience for both you and me, okay?